Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Let's get you up to date on what's happening here as we head through the rest of our Tuesday and into Wednesday. A couple of spotty showers are possible overnight tonight. Might still be left over at the bus stop in the morning. So at the morning bus stop, we'll go with spotty showers, overcast skies, cool, and temperatures in the upper 50s. At recess, it'll be warmer, a little more humid, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. On the way home, it's likely dry, but you're feeling that humidity. You're also getting some southeasterly winds on the breezy side, and temperatures should be around 76 degrees. So while the kids are at school tomorrow, there's no real threat of severe weather. The severe weather threat for East Texas is coming in later, probably after the dinner hour. And here's why. We are still looking at this upper-level storm. Again, not as well organized as some past storms, but this one has some other ingredients at play. We'll have a little bit more sunshine than we've had, warmer temperatures than we've had in the past, and we'll also have something called lapse rate. So we're going to see a big difference between the temperature at the surface and the temperature aloft, and that creates strong updrafts, which can create some pretty big hail. So hail will be one threat, and then we'll see the possibility of some straight line winds. That's all in that storm system that is setting up for Wednesday. It'll be gone by Thursday, Friday, and over the weekend. Things should be a lot better. But that next storm up means more unsettled weather ahead. And we start with this. This is the severe thunderstorm risk outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. They are now putting parts of East Texas in either a slight or enhanced risk of severe weather. A slight risk means scattered severe thunderstorms. Some can be intense. Large hail is a threat. Again, that's in the yellow area. But more of East Texas is in this orange area. That means numerous severe thunderstorms are expected, large hail and tornadoes possible. And again, I think numerous severe thunderstorms are possible because we could have a line of showers and thunderstorms essentially stretching from near Tyler or back toward Canton all the way to Crockett, sweeping eastward tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. So anywhere you see this outline sort of shows us where that bulging line of wind will be pushing in. And so the strongest winds may make it all the way to Panola County and Nacogdoches County before somewhat weakening. But this just kind of gives you an idea of that whole segment of showers and thunderstorms moving eastward and almost forming their own sort of bow. That is one thing we have to be concerned about for the damaging wind threat would be this bowing echo that would come on in to the area. So the severe risk tomorrow, the flood risk is elevated as some of these showers and thunderstorms will put down some heavy rain in a short period of time. Enhanced wind risk and an enhanced hail risk. The tornado threat, pretty low. Even if it's at 10%, it's lower than, say, the wind and the hail threat. So we'll put it on the low category, but it's a little bit higher than perhaps it is on some days. All right, here's future skycast. We'll start this late tonight. 11 o'clock, temperatures in the lower 60s, partly cloudy skies, passing showers again overnight, could be around still tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, for the most part, it's a dry day. There could be a few stray showers like there were on Tuesday. But here we go, 6:15, we have big thunderstorms out in central Texas, kind of getting their act together with some isolated, stronger storms around East Texas, north of Interstate 20. Any one of these could suddenly pop a warning. Could be a severe thunderstorm warning, even a tornado warning. So we'll need to watch these initial cells that blow up. But here comes the real concern for widespread impacts. You can see from Mount Pleasant through Gilmer back to just northwest of Tyler to Athens. This is at 9:45. This is a squall line of thunderstorms. So along that leading edge, you could have some large hail, but you could also have those winds that are in excess of 60 miles an hour. And at some point tomorrow night, they could exceed 70 miles an hour. And here's what I mean. You can see there was sort of that bowing appearance as those showers and thunderstorms went through, and they were moving rapidly. Some of these might move as fast as 40 or 50 miles an hour with forward speed. So you put that in there, you put in downward momentum, colder air aloft falling through the thunderstorms, and suddenly you get wind gusts that could reach 70 miles an hour. By 1:15 in the morning, we've got showers and thunderstorms moving into western Louisiana. There may be another little segment that comes down here and catches deep East Texas very late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, in the order of about 3, 4, or 5 a.m. So there may be additional severe thunderstorm warnings in deep East Texas initially Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, northwest winds return, humidity drops, temperatures are in the low 70s. And then as we head into Thursday night and Friday morning, temperatures are back into the lower 50s. It now looks like the rain that we were thinking about on Friday gets pushed back to Saturday, with Saturday just a little bit of humidity left over ahead of a front. So very humid through the day Wednesday, back to humid on Thursday with that front coming through. That humidity kind of hangs around Friday, but then it drops. Chance for morning showers, thunderstorms Saturday, and then it's comfortable to round out the weekend Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances, 80% chance of rain Wednesday, 40% chance Thursday morning. Rain chances drop to near zero on Friday, bump back up for Saturday morning, and again Sunday morning, a 30% chance of rain. Then they fall off the table for Monday and Tuesday, so we'll take rain chances out of that. All right, how much rain can we see over the next 7 days? All right, so let's include the rest of Tuesday and Wednesday. How much rain are we talking about? So this is going to be all tied to Wednesday, really. You're looking at a bullseye here, this purple, 1 3/4 of an inch of rain to 2 inches of rainfall from Dallas over to Tyler, deep East Texas, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inches. All right, let's go ahead to Thursday. Should be a dry day except for deep East Texas with a few light rain showers. Friday and Saturday, here again, Friday night, Saturday morning, as the cold front comes through, we're picking up an additional 1/4 inch to maybe 1/2 inch of rainfall. And then Sunday and Monday look fairly dry at this time. So the next 7 days, there you go. Anywhere from 1/4 of an inch toward Houston to 3/4 of an inch coming up toward Trinity County, toward Crockett, into Angelina County. Then you going up here to Cherokee County and into Rusk County. Now you're talking about 1.5 to 1 3/4 to 2 inches of rainfall right around Tyler. Van Zandt County is the bullseye, 3 inches of rainfall over the next 7 days. So a lot of rain, but again, most of that is falling Wednesday into Thursday, so the flash flood threat is certainly there. So this will add to our totals. Going back to March 1st, we've had almost 7 inches of rain in Tyler, Longview 7.5 inches of rain, and Lufkin more than 10 inches of rain. Should make up those deficits that we see at Longview and at Tyler. All right, overnight, stray showers, mid-50s in our northern counties. In our central counties, mid to upper 50s. Stray showers, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. Lows, for instance, around 59 at Jacksonville and Henderson. Lows also in the upper 50s at Lufkin and Nacogdoches and at Groveton. Winds tomorrow are out of the east to southeast, roughly at about 10 miles an hour, gusting at times close to 18 miles an hour. High temperatures, mid-70s, with isolated showers and thunderstorms during the day. More numerous showers and thunderstorms at night. 78 in Jacksonville, 80 in Henderson. Over deep East Texas, temperatures should also be in the lower 80s. Here's your Bill Scott White, Texas Spot and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So upper 70s with severe storms possible Wednesday. Morning thunderstorms Thursday, cooler 73. Upper 70s on Friday. Right now, scattered rain and thunder Saturday. AM showers Sunday. It's dry next Monday and Tuesday with scattered showers rounding out our 10-day forecast. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great night.